Let's now continue with the problem solving for the frustum of a right pyramid. Again, to recall, here are the different formula that we use to solve for the volume, lateral area, and total surface area of regular pyramids. Particularly, we're going to discuss frustum of square pyramids. Again, if the height and the slant height are not given, we use the following formula. Now here are the problems that we need to solve. Let's start with problem number 1. Find the lateral area, total area, and volume of a frustum of a square pyramid. The sides of the bases are 3 feet and 12 feet. The altitude of the frustum is 18 feet and its slant height is 18.55 feet. Now, from the problem, we're asked to solve for the lateral area, the total area, and the volume of the frustum of a square pyramid. For our given information, we have the following. So we know that the sides of the bases are 3 feet and 12 feet. This means that the edge of the bigger base is 12 feet, while the edge of the smaller base is 3 feet. Altitude or height is 18 feet and slant height is 18.55 feet. Since all our given information is complete, we can now solve for the lateral area, total area, and volume of the frustum. First, let's solve for the lateral area. Lateral area is 2s times edge of the bigger base plus edge of the smaller base. Let's substitute our given information. That is 2 times 18.55 times 12 plus 3. Using our calculators, we get 556.5 feet squared. Now, to solve for the total area, we have lateral area plus the square of the bigger edge plus the square of the smaller edge. We now have 556.5 plus 12 squared plus 3 squared. Hence, we get 709.5 feet squared. And finally, for the volume, that is height times square of the bigger edge plus square of the smaller edge plus bigger edge times smaller edge all over 3. Substitute our given information. We have 18 times 12 squared plus 3 squared plus 12 times 3. Then divide everything by 3. Solving this, we get 3,402 divided by 3, or that is 1,134 cubic feet. So this is the solution to problem number 1. Let's now proceed to problem number 2. The edges of the bases of a frustum of a square pyramid are 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively, and the altitude is 7 centimeters. Determine the slant height, lateral area, total area, and volume of the frustum. Again, for this example, we are given the edges of the bases, which are 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters. This means edge of the bigger base is 12 centimeters and edge of the smaller base is 6 centimeters. Meanwhile, height is 7 centimeters. So we're not given the value for the slant height. It's part of what is asked. So let us solve for the slant height first. So slant height is equal to the square root of big edge minus small edge over 2 squared plus height squared. So we get square root of 12 minus 6 all over 2 quantity squared plus 7 squared. Now, if you find it difficult to input this directly in your calculator, you may simplify this expression. And we know that 12 minus 6 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. Hence, this is 3 squared plus 7 squared. Therefore, slant height is now equal to 7.62 centimeters. Now, let us use this to solve for the lateral area. For lateral area, we have 2s times big E plus small e. We now have 2 times 7.62 times 12 plus 6. Simplifying this, we get 274.32 centimeter squared. Then, for total area, we have lateral area plus edge of the bigger base squared plus edge of the smaller base squared. Here we have 274.32 plus 12 squared plus 6 squared. Simplifying this, we get 454.32 centimeters squared. And finally, for volume, we have height times edge of the bigger base squared plus edge of the smaller base squared plus edge of the bigger base times edge of the smaller base, all divided by 3. Let's substitute. This is 7 times 12 squared plus 6 squared plus 12 times 6 divided by 3. We get volume, which is equal to 1,764 divided by 3, that is 588 cubic centimeters. Now, these are the answers for problem number 2. Let us now discuss problem number 3. What is the height, lateral area, total area, and volume of the frustum of a square pyramid if the sides of the bases are 7 meters and 11 meters respectively, and the slant height is 15 meters? Now, in this problem, we know that the given information are the sides of the bases, which are 7 meters and 11 meters. This means edge of the bigger base is 11 meters and edge of the smaller base is 7 meters. And slant height is 15 meters. Now we're asked to find the height, lateral area, total area, and volume of the frustum. Let's start first with finding the height. That is square root of s squared minus edge of the bigger base minus edge of the smaller base over 2 quantity squared. Substitute our given information. We have 15 squared minus 11 minus 7 over 2 squared. Now we can further simplify this as 15 squared minus 11 minus 7 is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So this will be 15 squared minus 2 squared. So using our formula, we get a height of 14.87 meters. Now we can now solve for the lateral area, total area, and volume. So lateral area is 2 times slant height times the sum of the edges of the bases. That is 2 times 15 times 11 plus 7. Simplifying this, we get 540 meter squared. Then, total area is lateral area plus the square of the bigger base plus the square of the smaller base. That is 540 plus 11 squared plus 7 squared. For total area, we get 710 meter squared. And lastly, volume is equal to height times square of the bigger edge plus square of the smaller edge plus edge of the bigger base times edge of the smaller base all over 3. That is now equal to 14.87 times 11 squared plus 7 squared plus 11 times 7 all over 3. So here we get 3,672.89 divided by 3, that is 1,224.30 meters cubed. So this is now the solution to problem number 3. So that's it for our problem solving on the frustum of square pyramids.